here with Linda. How are you doing, Linda?
Good. How about yourself?
I'm doing well. Are you excited for the scavenger hunt?
Absolutely. Sounds like fun.
I think it will be for everyone. All right, so why is it good that people use Miss Dig 811?
Miss Dig has helped us out. I know we've had some different construction done, and they found wires and pipes and things where we were going to, but we couldn't. So.
There you go. That's what Miss Dig is for. So would you recommend everybody use Miss Dig?
Oh, absolutely, before you do any digging. Absolutely.
And how did you contact Miss Dig 811?
Gee, let me think. How about 811?
There you go. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Safety is in your hands. Every dig, every time.